car crash. Car crash. Cities on one map, neon nights and daylight flow. Highway traffic moving fast while engines glow. Urban driving vision powered by hidden tight games. Bass, heavy rhythm as a street light show. Tire swap, rims shining in the city haze. Car crash. Body kits shifting style in different ways. Car crash. Customization culture built by hit tight games. Throttle and braking synchronized fade. Car crash. Sparks fly, twisted metal explodes. Driver and passenger thrown as chaos reloads. Crash physics engineered by hit tight games. Front collision triggers airbags in coded modes. Pure crash mode where racers fly too fast. One hard hit and their control won't last. Destruction gameplay crafted by hit tight games. Smoke and sirens rising from the blaze. Car crash. Transitions on the same road line. City streets and highways seamlessly combined. Two city experience developed by hit tight games.